BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Just a quick video to just let you know that if you are using the Vivaldi web browser for desktop, that version 5.6 has been bumped up to 2.867.50, and that is the third point release update that the browser has received since version 5.6 rolled out. Now, this is a bug fix update and includes 5 fixes for the browser, and the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on, stays exactly the same as it was prior to this update. Now, just to take a quick look at all the different fixes, the first is for the address bar, where apparently new tabs, if you opened up a new tab, it was showing the typed URL from the background tab. So that has been fixed. There was also a fix for a crash in the browser. Apparently there was sudden memory hogging, and that would cause a freeze and then the browser to crash. So that's been fixed. And then the downloads in the panel, in the side panel, has also received a fix. Apparently it was closing suddenly when the Save As button was being clicked. So that's another bug that has been addressed in the side panel downloads when you click that Save As button. And there's a UI user interface fix. Apparently the copy button in the About section for Vivaldi was broken. So that would basically be in this section here, your copy button. There you go, that little copy icon there. That was broken, so that's received a fix. And then there were no window borders on Windows older than Windows 11. So if you were and are running Vivaldi on an older version of Windows and you didn't see any window borders, then that bug has been addressed. So that's it. Version 5.6.2867.50 now available. Just a minor point release update containing and including 5 bug fixes. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.